unforgiving environments where no two challenges are alike. You're there, perfecting your operation. Producing the sand, stone, and gravel that fortify the foundations of our homes and businesses. Paving the roads that connect our communities. Recycling material so it may serve a new purpose for the years ahead. You're in the business of making things happen. We're in the business of removing any and all obstacles that might stand in your way. For over 20 years, TCI Manufacturing has been in relentless pursuit of meeting the ever-evolving needs of those who process and handle bulk materials. What started with high-frequency screens and conveyors has grown to include hundreds of specialized equipment products and comprehensive design-build services. From operational assessments and conceptual drawings to precision engineering, we work alongside you to craft the ideal system, one that's efficient and, above all else, reliable. We bring those systems to life from our manufacturing headquarters in Walnut, Illinois. Every facet of production, cutting and forming parts, welding, fabrication, and finishing, all of it carried out by our in-house team. A team with decades of experience who knows what it takes to make stationary and portable equipment that will stand up to the rigors of producing and handling aggregates. Beyond our custom fabricated solutions, TCI offers a comprehensive line of portable material handling and processing equipment. Conveyors, hoppers, screens, crushers, and material washers. A product line that we've developed through 2 decades of first-hand experience. With an extensive dealer network and available leasing program, be assured that you can get what you need when you need it. Our warranty and after-sales support means you can stay focused on the task at hand. Whether you need radial stackers and screens for processing and storing recycled asphalt, or a custom-designed primary dump hopper and conveyor system for transporting limestone to your processing plant a mile away, we're here and we're ready. So come on, let's do big things.